Guys, I fucked up. I really fucked up. I just drilled into the tank. Fuck. Guys, I am such an idiot. Oh my gosh. So I was trying to re-tap the holes in the fuel tank so I can put the badges back on. And I was trying to remove one of the old rusty screws, so I was drilling into it. And I was trying to be careful as well. I was going really slow. All of a sudden, I pull the drill out. I pull the drill piece out, and then some fuel starts leaking down. So I've drilled too far in, punctured the side of my fuel tank, and now it's leaking. Fuck. So I was at the men's shed. I left in a hurry, didn't say goodbye to anyone. Quickly rode home. So now I'm just going to drain the fuel tank. Drain it completely and see how I can fix it. Far out, man. This is so dumb, man. Like, it's so avoidable, and it's so typical of me. Like, I could have easily just gotten the badges and just put some silicone on the back and just whack it onto the side of the tank. But no, I thought I'd be smart and try to re-tap the screws. Far out. I am very disappointed in myself. This is really dumb. This is really unfortunate. So the hole was here and it's leaking all the way on the inside. All the internals are coming off. Oh no, and now the paint's peeling off, guys. Far out. The paint on the inside is peeling off because it's not too, the clear coat didn't reach the inside. Far out. Oh. This is really upsetting. Fucking hell. It honestly gets worse the more I look at it. Oh, alright, so I know what's happened. So I drilled through, because there was like a little screw that was stuck in there because it was rusted, right? So I was trying to drill it out. As I was drilling it out, my drill bit didn't hit the tank, or didn't pierce the tank, but the existing screw that was in there must have gone pushed further in, and that's what breached the tank and made a little hole. So I'm more worried about the paint job, to be honest. This is really annoying. I think, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get my Dremel and cut here. Just cut this part off, and try to take this part out, and I'll use some of that putty and fill up that hole. And that should hopefully plug it up. And I'm gonna put the badge over so you can't see it anyways. I'm not too worried about this, even though that's really annoying. But this part, that's really disappointing. I'm not sure what to do. I might get a razor blade and clean it up and then clear coat it again, maybe. I don't know. I was in such a good mood today as well. I had like exciting news to break to you guys. And I thought that this was just going to be a really nice and simple job to do, and then I'll be able to finally put the badges onto the bike and then finish off the build. But yeah. Oh. It's not the end of the world, I guess. Disappointing, but I'll get over it. the badges really complete the look. Alright guys, that's the final cosmetic touch to the bike. This was not how I thought it'd go. So yeah, I'm not sure how to feel about this. Let's head on inside. I've got a exciting announcement to make. I'm so hungry. Alright, so this morning I was on my bike riding around and I decided to stop by the local bike shop, which you guys have seen me work at before. So I parked my bike, went in, I saw that the boss was there, and he's seen me around before. I went up to him and I said, "Hey man, 2 things. The first thing, come outside, I want to show you my bike." So he came outside, I showed him my bike, showed him the paint job, the welds, everything that I've done to it so far. And these guys, they've seen me work on it for like the past year, so I actually bought this bike from him, so he knew what it looked like from the beginning. So he was pretty impressed, and we were just sort of chatting, and I said, "Alright man, so a few weeks back I put in an expression of interest because I knew that you guys were looking for some young blood in the back to work on bikes, to move some bikes around and to detail them, make them look nice. This is what I do. Are you guys still looking?" And he said yes. I said, "Alright, well, can we work something out?" And he said, "Alright, let's do it." So next week, starting from next week, I'm going to be doing 2 days a week, half days at the mechanics. So I figured that I'm constantly working on bikes and I love sort of keeping busy, and I'm currently spending money on my own bike, so why not do the same thing on other people's bikes and get paid for it, right? Now, I've spent quite a bit of money on my own bike. How much exactly? I'm not too sure, but quite a bit. That's going to be a video coming up soon. Just sort of like a cost breakdown of everything I've done so far to the bike. So I've racked up quite a bit of debt because this is money that I don't have. So all the money that I'm going to be earning from this gig, I'm going to try and put back to pay off this debt. And then once that's all paid off, then all this money that I earn doing this side gig, I can reinvest into this bike and maybe even future bikes, some more gear so that we can do some more cool stuff with this channel. So I really want to play around with like Insta360 cameras and like drones, camping gear, all that stuff. So this side gig is going to be a really good way for me to save up money in order to get to that. So I'm pretty excited. Keeping in mind that I am also going to be increasing my hours working at Level 9, the gym that I currently manage. Lately, I've been, on top of coaching, I've also been doing a lot of programming and designing the workouts and just sort of working on like admin and behind the scenes stuff. My hours are going to sort of dramatically go up. I'm being really mindful not to overload myself, but I think that this is going to be very achievable because both jobs, like the mechanics place, it's a very casual thing. It's cash in hand, and if it's too much, then I'll pay that. It's fine. And then with the gym stuff, like we've got a really good culture there. If it's not right, if there's other things that's going on, then we can always pay it back as well. So pretty flexible, which I think works really well for me. So yeah, that was what happened this morning, and I was really hyped up to make this announcement to you guys, but then this bullshit happened and now I'm just exhausted. But yeah, starting next week, you guys can look forward to some more interesting content. And yeah, that's it. I'm starving. I'm gonna make myself a feed and maybe edit some more videos. So thanks so much for joining in today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. See you later.